I'm John Alexander. I'm the Technical Operations Manager here at Allied. What does Allied mean to me, being part of Allied mean to me? It's a family. I always feel supported. Any challenges I come across in my daily work, I always know that there's someone there to support me if I need help. How does Allied differ from the rest of the industry? That's really the thing that drew me to Allied, is how they are different. They're so creative. We do not get confined in the box of a metal building manufacturer. Most of the industry, they've got a standard format, a standard way of doing things, and it really limits what you can do. The wonderful thing about Allied is just the creative atmosphere. We're always looking for a new solution to do something better, to be more creative. It's really a joy to be part of a company like this. What does it mean to be an undeterred solutionist? At Allied, it's just not coming across those situations where you're stumped because you don't have something in place in your processes to achieve whatever the goal is there. Allied, it's always, hey, we can't do it in our normal path. Well, what can we do? Let's find another way. Let's figure out a way to do it. Again, one of those things that just makes it a joy to work here is just the creativity that we have in our team to find solutions for the client.